Hello, hi, I'm Pam Lee, and I wanted to share something that I saw on Facebook with my friends and my family. So, in this time, everyone's being encouraged to wear a mask and gloves, but we know that it's very difficult to find masks. And suppose I'm a mom and I have 3 children with me and we need to go out for any reason. I can't afford to buy masks for all of them. So I wanted to share with you a quick and easy way to use something in your home to make masks that I personally find more comfortable and simple and easy. So the first one I want to show you I made is this one. Simple, easy out of a pair of socks. And then for you today, I'm going to show you how to make this one. Okay, so everybody in your house has socks. So here's a sock that I'm not going to be using, but I want to show you today how to make a mask. So you just lay the sock. I like this part right here because it goes over your nose and creates like a nice comfortable cushion. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the top off of the sock. Just cut that off. And then on the bottom, I'm going to cut off the toe part. So I make one cut here, right? And then I turn it sideways and I'm going to, opposite the foot part, I'm going to open it up. Just cut along the seam. You just need a sharp scissor, okay? Then this is the part to make the handles. So use your thumb and go in from the edge. This one's lined, so it helps me. So I'll go up about the length of the top of my thumb. And then on the other end, I do the same thing. I cut up about the length of my thumb. Okay? And there you have it. Open it up. Take your paper towel. Double it. Put it inside. I like to fold this over so it doesn't fall in my eyes. Put it on. These are your ear hooks. And you can pull it down to cover your whole face. Ta-da! There you have it. Okay? Simple, easy masks. Anyone can make them in your house. There you have it. Thank you.